I'm back, and it's been a while. The last video that you guys saw me in was me explaining to you guys that I was going to be doing videos for a while, and that I had some stuff going on, and now I'm ready, come back full force. We're going to start a new trade series. So today, in this video, you guys are going to see what the start is of $50 to 10 grand. So that's our new goal, and how we get there, you know, it's not going to be one item like it was last time. I think we're just going to go no rules, $50 to 10 G's, see how long it takes, and what we buy with that 10 grand, I'm pretty excited about, but it's probably going to be a minute. I mean, I might get to a car pretty quick like I did last time. I might get nowhere. There's always that possibility. I think I tried it. There's actually a video I recorded that never came out, and it was trading a drone that I ended up getting for free, up to 5 grand or something, and then like it just never worked. So there's always that chance that I could get nothing out of it. So yeah, today's the start of it. We're gonna start with $50. We're gonna go hit some thrift stores. We're gonna check out Marketplace. We're gonna spend it however we want within that $50. I'll keep a running tally as we do it. But yeah, it's gonna be sweet. It's not gonna be like the last video where it's a very structured thing. You guys are gonna see how I do it, how I would take anything and do it. I could get one thing for $50. I could get 5 things for $50. I'm gonna keep you guys in the running total through all these videos. So we'll try to set a goal of 2 months up to 10 grand or less. But you guys will see in every video, probably up here, just a running total, and per item when we grab it off the shelf, when we ring it up, it'll add to that total. So yeah, I will see you guys in the thrift store in a minute here. Of course, it wouldn't be a video without completely forgetting something like the fact that we need a SD card for GoPro. So, we're gonna go do that. Also, it's fucking -3 degrees out. In the night. So that was a fucking dud. I don't know what the hell the stranger's doing. Not anything worth my time at all. So now, first store had nothing, and I mean fucking nothing. If I missed something, cool, tell me. I doubt it. Had 4 Xbox 360 games that were worth $6 a piece resale on eBay. So after fees, they're $3 or whatever. eBay sucks at this point. I don't use it anymore. Vintage clothing, no. I mean, there was a cool O'Neill shirt, but then I looked at the tag. It was a reprint of an older design. So that's kind of a bummer. We're gonna go to Marquette and see what we can come up with. Salvation Army is usually shitty. Goodwill is usually shitty. Minis of Marquette, usually decent. If none of these work out, we're gonna end up going to probably Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, because no one uses Craigslist anymore. No one buys shit off Craigslist. So if it's on Craigslist, it's probably not sold. If that doesn't work out, I am gonna resort to putting a Facebook post out that says, hey, I'm doing a $50 trade-up challenge. Anybody have anything they want to sell? And we could start there. Maybe if somebody reaches out with something cool. It's kind of what happened in the Porsche series. Was we started out with a $50 item, traded for something that neither of us had any idea what it was worth. Still to this day, I have no idea what that body kit was worth. And somebody wanted it. So I mean, there's somebody out there that wants everything, right? we're gonna walk into a store, we're gonna find something nobody wanted, and it's gonna be my holy grail at some point. So it's just how it goes. I will see you guys in Marquette. So we're sliding through a roundabout completely sideways. That's fun. Yeah, we will cut to old footage once I slide through these roundabouts because they're not salted. That's a PS2. Oh yeah, we gotta stop and pick up a PlayStation 2 plus some games and controllers we just bought for $50, but that right now I don't think is going to be part of it. That could be what we start with, but that one I'm just buying to have for myself. Oh, let's see. Dude, Marketplace, first of all, Marketplace has been dead for 3 months, I swear. There hasn't been anything good. It's like when Craigslist died out, it's... everything that's on here has been on here and has not sold, which is not a great sign. It is winter time, so maybe finding a cheap snowblower could be, which finding a snowblower after we just got 30 inches of snow is not easy. It is winter time, so snowboards, snowblowers, stuff like that, like $300 for a snowboard though, $130. If you buy them in the off season, obviously they're worth more. Well, that's funny. I sold those wheels. Yeah, like I was saying, Marketplace has just been dead. Like if we could get a, that's mine. I was gonna say I won't buy that. Like a Oculus Quest for a good price, that might work out. Some of these PlayStation 3 games, they're worth it. Like if you look at them, I could buy all those and then sell them individually and be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, $50 profit just off of that $15 if I sold them for $5 a piece. Finding vintage stuff, if we could find a PlayStation 2, N64, something like that, it's a good place to start. I have 2 N64s, 3 PS2s, but I would rather start fresh with something with you guys. I'm not buying AirPods on the internet because I don't trust any of that. Like this PlayStation VR setup. If PSVR 2 wasn't out, it'd probably be a good idea. It's not a great idea to start with technology that's older. Alright, first stop is gonna be movies, games. Madden 06 for $5. Yeah, fucking $3. No. Salvation Army, a lot of the stuff is, they don't care about older stuff like this. So if there's any, let's just say Harley Davidson stuff, whatever, any vintage sport stuff, it's gonna be in the store. Newer, man, we're just striking out on everything. Problem with a lot of the stores is a lot of the stuff is like local clothing, so it's like graduation shirts or military recruiting shirts, stuff like that people just don't want. I pulled some old, I think that's kind of cool, but not what we need. I pulled some cool old school NFL stuff out of the store. But I have a feeling that I'm not the only one that's been here.
Man, this is rough. And VHS stuff, don't need. Unfortunately, I don't think we need 10K's headphones. Yet again, found absolutely nothing. So, one more to go. Oh, then we'll see how St. Vinny's goes. It's crooked. It's whatever. I'll fix it. But we're going to pick up PS2. Not part of this, unfortunately. I could be, but I just have this sick addiction to buying like PS2 stuff lately.
Yeah, I saw your thing. I found mine like weeks ago, and it's like,
dude,
I don't know what I'm gonna do with this for a bit.
Like bad. Like there's a PS2 in there. There's a PS3, Guitar Hero, all that shit.
Yeah, no, it's got all the chords. It just never read DVDs from the day I got it out of the box as a kid.
Yeah, it's whatever.
But I just had a memory card, so there might be some weird old stuff stored from I don't know when.
That's pretty
so
sweet.
That might be weird to get this.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Play your save games.
Yeah, I have no clue what's on there still, like, so, I don't know.
Yeah.
Let me know what you find on.
Sweet. I appreciate it.
Yeah, not a problem. Have a good day.
I'll let you know if I find anything good on there.
I have no clue. I haven't touched it in a while. My mom got a hold of me. She's like, there's stuff in the basement still. Crap.
Yeah. Cool stuff, though. All right, man. Thanks. Still going through all this and not seeing anything. Told you. Definitely copies of Titanic. Check books, I guess. Maybe another store of nothing, I guess. See if they have cards of some sort. Nothing. Again, absolutely nothing. Just a shitty angle with my jacket in the way, but whatever. I'm not sure what to do at this point, honestly. Where do we go? Vinny's here. Vinny's in Ishpeming. Didn't find anything. I refuse to go to Goodwill still. Not doing it. Only because I know that there's gonna be nothing. So we're gonna go to plan B, and we're gonna scour Marketplace. Fucking BMW noises. Washer fluid though. Yeah, we're just gonna scour Marketplace at this point and see what we come up with. So I will see you guys in a minute, because thrift stores are not working out. It's very hard to buy things today.
Yesterday was a bust. I didn't find shit, honestly. I went Vinny's, two Vinny's, Salvation Army, Marketplace, Craigslist, pretty much everywhere. And I mean, it was like dead. There was not a single deal in sight. I went and picked up a PS2 and some stuff from RJ, but that's for me, not for anything else. I gotta go get another one today. So episode 1 of 50 to what initially I said was gonna be 10 grand is not. I think we could do better. So we're gonna go 50 bucks to GTR. That's the plan. It could be any generation GTR, but most likely gonna be shooting for an R35. Yeah, it's gonna be a rebuilt title R35 of some sort. Or we go back to the original and do a 911, but I would rather shoot for that $40,000 to $50,000 range and buy a rebuilt GTR. I'm gonna be releasing these probably once a week, if not twice a week. But I have some other videos coming out on Midwest Media House. We have a video for Barron's Auto Marquette, Rustic Vapor. We're gonna be shooting another video locally. So there's gonna be some good stuff over there. But like I said in the previous video. This channel is just going to serve as my channel. You know, it could be automotive stuff. It could be shit like this. So I will see you guys on the next one, and we'll see if we finally found an item, or if I break the rules and I just use an item that I bought over the last few weeks for 50 bucks, because we have some kind of cool shit that we bought. So, and if you like the whole GoPro thing, just comment that you like it, because I've never used a GoPro just as a wearable. I've always put it on cars. It's kind of cool. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Sorry it's a shitty video and we didn't find anything and it's immediately a bust. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one, and hopefully have an item. See you guys.
Take Addies, yeah. I'm trying to fix this damage, yeah. You know I keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah.